December, the beginning of a busy month for many of us, but it's also the perfect time to plan for the new year. Now, you may be thinking, isn't that what we do at the beginning of the year? Setting resolutions and goals? Well, no, because if you start planning in January, you'll already be behind by weeks, if not months. This is absolutely the best time to think about your goals for the next year. So in this video, we're going to discuss ways to assess what didn't work in the past and why. With that knowledge, you can make sure that you achieve your goals in the new year. Remember the wisdom from Einstein: insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results. Let's identify what's not working and set goals to make it work in 2023. Hi, I'm Lorna Rasmussen, and my goal, as always, is to help you be as successful as you can be so you can live the life of your dreams, whatever that dream may be. Mine is living here in Costa Rica. So how do you determine what didn't work? And more importantly, why it didn't work? We often have the same or similar goals each month and each year. We set and reset them without really understanding why we aren't achieving them. So that's a good place to start. Pick that perennial goal you set and let's work on it together. I'll use the example of, say, a goal to add a new team member every week. For some of you, that's a big goal. For others, it's a small goal, but let's use that as an example. But the last time you had that goal, you were only able to add 1 or 2 a month, and sometimes none at all. Well, let's start by creating a page that has 2 columns. One column is called obstacles, and the other solutions. Write your goal at the top, and now write all the obstacles you can think of to achieve that goal. You might think of them as the reasons that you didn't achieve the goal the last time, like the rationalizations you said to yourself of why you didn't achieve it. Some possible obstacles are issues that you may have with time management, or you run out of people to talk to. Keep writing until you find the real obstacle that you have to accomplishing your goal. You see, the obvious first ones that you write down are often not the real ones. Now let's turn to the solutions column. Next to each obstacle, put down possible solutions. You can ask yourself, if you couldn't fail, what would you do in this situation? Or what skills do you need to overcome this obstacle? Or what didn't you do in the past that you could do now? Now you have a list of actions you can take to start the new year off successfully. Simply put, it's called a plan of action. And that is really the step in goal setting that most people miss. They set the goal and it either overwhelms them or they get bogged down as they try to take too many steps that may be too big to accomplish immediately, and then they feel discouraged because they aren't succeeding. Having an action plan will make you feel empowered as you go into the new year. If you would like support to answer some of those obstacles, come up with some solutions, join us every Thursday in a networking group I call Mastermind and Network, which is specifically designed for women in network marketing. Because this is a new venture, I'm currently not charging for it. However, starting in the new year, I'll likely charge a nominal fee. So this is a great time to try it out. I've put the link down below. You deserve success, and I believe that you're in the best opportunity in the world for women to make money and make an impact. And I'll see you on the next video.